Hi everyone, welcome to Teju's Healthy Eats. This creamy pasta has about 63 grams of protein per serving, is high in fiber, and makes for a full, very generous bowl. It's a macro-balanced lunch. You've got protein to keep you full, fiber for digestion, and enough carbs and fats to actually give you energy. It's also perfect for meal prep. You can batch cook it, double the recipe, and it stays fresh in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. All you do is heat and eat. This has quickly become a staple in our household and has made staying consistent with fitness goals so much easier. As we go, I'll share a few pro tips that really make a difference, so keep an eye out for those. So let's get started. These are the main ingredients, simple everyday foods you can find at most grocery stores, but when you put them together, they make a really satisfying, high-protein lunch. And you can easily swap low-fat cottage cheese for blended non-fat Greek yogurt or part-skim ricotta or any other plant-based alternative for a similar creamy texture. I start by bringing a pot of water to a boil with salt and a little olive oil, then cook the pasta as per the package instructions until al dente. Keeping pasta al dente helps it hold up when everything gets mixed together. While the pasta cooks, I sear extra firm tofu that's been pressed and cubed and season it really well so it's flavorful on its own. I add fresh garlic halfway through so it doesn't burn and keeps the fresh aroma. Burnt garlic can overpower a dish. Timing makes a big difference. I add in garlic, oregano, Italian seasoning, and salt to really build the flavor right from the start. I always lower the heat before adding paprika so it stays warm and smoky, not bitter. If you like macro-balanced high-protein meals that are easy to prep and actually satisfying, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell icon. Did you do it? Done! Thank you! I transfer the tofu to a bowl. Next, I use the same pan, and in goes the garlic. Then I add in the onions and cook them until they are tender. Then I add in the mushrooms first and let all the moisture evaporate. This concentrates flavor and prevents soggy vegetables. I add in the same seasonings that I've used for the tofu. I add in the garlic, oregano, Italian seasoning, and salt. I add the spinach in batches, and I cook the spinach until it is just wilted. Spinach cooks fast, less is more here. Lastly, I add in the paprika on low heat and gently mix the vegetables until they are evenly coated with the seasoning. For the sauce, I blend cottage cheese, soy milk, nutritional yeast, and salt, and then add it straight into the pan. Adding the sauce on low heat keeps it smooth and prevents curdling. I let it gently simmer until it thickens. Once the base is ready, I fold in the pasta and then the tofu. Folding instead of stirring keeps the tofu intact and the pasta from breaking. I finish with freshly cracked black pepper. I portion this into containers and finish with a light sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. This is a great recipe to batch cook Just double the quantities for more meals. Each serving has around 63 grams of protein, 38 grams of net carbs, and it's very high in fiber and lands around 737 calories. That combination keeps you full, helps manage hunger, and gives steady energy instead of spikes and crashes. This is comfort food that actually supports your goals. It reheats well, keeps you satisfied, and makes healthy eating feel simple. Do let me know in the comments on how you find it. Thank you and see you in the next video.